Social media isn't just for connecting with friends. It's a powerful tool for earning money. In today's video, we'll dive into the best strategies for beginners to start monetizing your social media accounts. From brand partnerships to sponsored posts, you'll learn how to turn your online presence into a profitable venture. Social media has transformed from a platform for personal interactions to a powerful tool for businesses and individuals to generate income. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or influencer, social media offers multiple ways to monetize your audience and create sustainable revenue streams. However, if you're just starting, it can be overwhelming to know where to begin. This guide explores effective strategies to monetize social media for beginners. By leveraging these methods, you can turn your passion for creating content into a profitable venture. Understand your audience. Before diving into monetization, it's crucial to understand your audience. Knowing who your followers are, what they're interested in, and what kind of content resonates with them will help you tailor your monetization strategy effectively. You can analyze audience demographics using analytics tools on platforms like Instagram Insights, Facebook Analytics, or YouTube Studio. Start by asking yourself a few key questions. Are your followers primarily young adults, parents, or professionals? Do they engage with content related to health, beauty, technology, or entertainment? Identifying your target audience allows you to make informed decisions on how to monetize. 1. Sponsored content and brand collaborations. Sponsored content is one of the most popular ways to monetize social media. Brands pay influencers or content creators to promote their products or services to a targeted audience. The amount you can earn depends on factors such as the size of your following, engagement rates, and niche. It's important to maintain transparency with your audience by disclosing sponsored content through clear labeling, #ad or #sponsored. This not only builds trust, but is also a legal requirement on many social media platforms. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. When your followers make a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a percentage of the sale. Many companies, including Amazon, share programs that allow you to become an affiliate and promote their products. Some social media platforms, like Instagram, offer direct integration with affiliate programs, making it easy to share links in your posts or stories. Many influencers also use Instagram's swipe up feature in stories to direct followers to affiliate product pages. 3. Selling products or services. Another effective way to monetize social media is by selling your own products or services. This could be physical items like merchandise, digital products like ebooks or courses, or even services like consulting or coaching. Social media provides an excellent platform to promote and sell your offerings directly to your audience. Social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook also offer integrated shopping features, allowing users to purchase products directly from your posts or profiles. Platforms like Etsy or Shopify allow you to set up an online store and link it to your social media accounts. 4. Offer subscription-based content or memberships. Subscription-based content is another growing trend in social media monetization. Platforms like Patreon, YouTube memberships, and Instagram's Close Friends feature allow creators to offer exclusive content to paying subscribers. Creating a subscription model gives your audience a sense of exclusivity, making them more likely to support you financially. Be sure to communicate the value of your paid content, as well as the benefits that come with becoming a subscriber. 5. Social media ads and monetization programs. Social media platforms themselves offer ways to directly monetize your content through ads and monetization programs. For instance, YouTube allows content creators to earn money through ad revenue via the YouTube Partner Program. Similarly, Facebook and Instagram offer ad revenue sharing programs for content creators who meet certain eligibility requirements. These ad programs are generally available to creators with a significant following and high engagement rates. To get started, you'll need to apply to become part of these programs and meet the eligibility criteria. Once approved, you can enable ads on your content and begin earning revenue. 6. Host webinars, workshops, and online classes. If you have expertise in a particular field, hosting webinars, workshops, or online classes can be a profitable way to monetize your social media presence. Whether it's teaching photography, graphic design, marketing, or even cooking, people are willing to pay for valuable knowledge. Social media provides the perfect platform to market your workshops and classes to your audience. Create teaser videos, countdowns, or testimonials to generate excitement and encourage people to sign up. Offering limited time discounts or early bird pricing can also help boost ticket sales. 7. Crowdfunding. If you're working on a specific project, launching a business, or creating a creative endeavor, crowdfunding can be an effective way to monetize your social media following. Platforms like Kickstarter, GoFundMe, and Indiegogo allow you to raise funds for a variety of causes by engaging with your audience. To succeed with crowdfunding, you need to build a compelling case for why your project is worth supporting. Use your social media channels to share your story, updates, and progress. Encourage your followers to donate by offering rewards or incentives such as exclusive content, shout-outs, or early access to your product. Crowdfunding not only helps you raise money but also builds a loyal community around your brand or project. 8. Influencer marketing platforms. Influencer marketing platforms like Influencity, AspireIQ, and BrandSnob connect social media influencers with brands looking for promotion. These platforms make it easier for creators to find brand partnerships and collaborate with companies that align with their niche. By joining these platforms, you can gain access to paid opportunities with brands that are seeking to promote their products or services. These platforms often provide tools to help manage campaigns, track performance, and streamline communication with brands. For beginners, influencer marketing platforms can be a great way to find opportunities and establish yourself as a valuable marketing partner. 9. Donations and tips. Another simple way to monetize social media is by accepting donations or tips from your audience. Platforms like Ko-Fi, Buy Me a Coffee, or even YouTube Super Chat allow creators to receive direct payments from their followers in exchange for supporting their content. This method works well for creators who produce high-quality content regularly and want to give their audience a way to support them directly. You can set up donation links on your social media profiles or mention them in your videos, posts, or live streams. 10. Network with other creators. Collaborating with other creators can expand your reach and open new monetization opportunities. By networking with other influencers in your niche, you can share audiences, co-host events, and cross-promote products or services. Building relationships with other content creators can also lead to paid partnerships or joint ventures. Collaborations allow you to introduce your content to a new audience, which can result in more followers, engagement, and monetization opportunities in the long run. Ready to take your freelancing career to the next level? Visit our website at webtransformacademy.com or check the link in the description for more resources and guidance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building a successful online business. See you next time.